Animal testing at UBC has been controversial for a long time.
Why would we treat our dogs with love and kindness and treat the animals at UBC so horrifically?
In response to protests in 2011, the university began publishing annual animal testing statistics. But with that tally having exceeded 180,000 animals in each of the past 2 years, a new group of students has picked up the mantle and is calling for more information.
If everything is all about animal welfare and it's all necessary and it's all okay, then why are they not being transparent?
Michelle Reed with the group Vegans of UBC says the annual report leaves many questions unanswered, specifically when it comes to test subjects vaguely described as large mammals, with little detail regarding species and the nature of the experiments.
That's our university. Our tuition is going to this university, so we should know what's going on if it's something that can cause harm.
In a statement from UBC, they say they are dedicated to prioritizing animal welfare and ensuring the highest standard of animal care in line with all regulations and veterinary oversight. But with that being said, UBC researcher Daniel Weary says transparency is also important.
If as a society, we're essentially giving the university permission to be doing research as well, what kind of research and for what? And so, and that's, that it needs to be discussed.
Weary says that there are now more alternatives to animal testing when it comes to medical research. But for his research on the behavior and well-being of farm animals, there is simply no alternative to the real thing.
We do need practical ways for helping those farmers, basically giving those farmers better information that allows them to make better decisions for care of those animals. And there's no real substitute for that.
But the university's own data shows that nearly 40% of the animal testing done at UBC falls into the so-called Category D, experiments that can cause severe pain and distress. It was that category of testing using dogs in heart studies that caused a major controversy this past summer at London, Ontario's St. Joseph's Hospital. Camille Labchuk with Animal Justice says society is now pushing back.
The public outcry was so strong that it has led the province to introduce laws to ban cat and dog experiments. And I think the writing is on the wall for any researchers still using live animals in their experiments. Public has said no, it is time to move in another, more compassionate direction.
Labchuk and a growing number of students hope that's a lesson universities will learn. In Vancouver, Kurt Black, City News.